Today we have a beautiful 1957 Ford Country Squire station wagon. Station wagon is basically today's SUV. And if you follow the progression, you'll say that back in the 50s and 60s and 70s, you had basically station wagons as your main mode of transportation for big families. In the 80s, 90s, early aughts, the minivan was the, quote, vehicle to have for the growing family. And in the last 10 to 15 years, the SUV now is the main mover of families here in the United States. But growing up in a Ford family, we actually had a vehicle just like this when I came home from the hospital in 1957. Thus, my favorite year of automobile is 1957. It has the Thunderbird V8 under the hood, has automatic transmission, it has factory air conditioning. And I can tell you, growing up as a kid, we never had a car with air conditioning. We never had a car that had any cold air whatsoever unless it was wintertime. Beautiful dual spotlights, AC, automatic transmission, third row seats, factory tinted glass. Doesn't get much better than this. This is a one family owner California car. The family had bought the car brand new. It was rarely driven. It had proceeded then to sit for a lot of years. It went on to a son who inherited it from his dad. And actually the son eventually sold it to his cousin, who ended up restoring the car to as new condition. But how often do you see a 1957 Ford Country Squire station wagon? Very rare. Were they mass produced? Yes, but nobody kept them. This is a beautiful vehicle, 292 V8, automatic transmission, standard factory colors, lots of memories associated with this vehicle. And so it's just something from a memorabilia point of view that we have here at the American Muscle Car Museum. And again, thank you very much for watching.